For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo says US will review deployment of its forces globally to counter China's threat. Pompeo said following instructions from President Donald Trump, US is reviewing deployment of forces. Pompeo made the comments against China during Virtual Brussels Forum 2020. The US move comes amid growing belligerent posture by China against its neighbors. China taking aggressive positions against countries like India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Japan, and Philippines.
We are going to make sure we are postured appropriately to counter the People's Liberation Army of China. We think that is the challenge of our times, and we are going to make sure we have the resources in place to do that.
Pompeo said US is reducing the deployment of its troops in Germany from 52,000 to 25,000 as a part of the plan. US forces would be deployed based on the ground realities, added Pompeo. Pompeo said US is consulting its partners across the world, including European allies, to counter Chinese threat.
Enjoyed the discussions today at the German Marshall Fund's #Brussels Forum. I am excited to announce the US and EU are launching a dialogue on China to address the threats the CCP poses to our common values and the way of life.
Pompeo said US will deploy its forces and allocate resources based on the nature of threat and intelligence. US has been criticizing China over its belligerent posture against its neighbors. Pompeo has termed the ruling Communist Party of China as a rogue actor.
Important remarks on the CCP by NSA O'Brien. The Chinese Communist Party is a Marxist, Leninist organization. Individuals do not have inherent value under Marxism, Leninism. They exist to serve the state.
China is being criticized the world over for its aggressive positions against its neighbors over boundary issues. Chinese troops killed 20 Indian soldiers at Galwan Valley in Ladakh on June 15th. China has laid claims over the entire Galwan Valley and asked India to withdraw from the area. India has termed Chinese claims untenable and said that Beijing is contradicting its own past position. The sinking of a Vietnamese fish boat in the South China Sea by Chinese Navy also created tension. Chinese fighter jets intruded into Taiwan airspace recently. Chinese survey vessel was involved in a standoff with a Malaysian oil exploration vessel. Beijing's claim over South China Sea and its recent actions have angered many countries. China has also laid claim over a small group of islands controlled by Japan. Tensions simmer over the disputed islands known as Senkaku in Japan and the Diaoyus in China. China courted controversy over its decision on imposing a new security law in Hong Kong. India is also reaching out to countries and groupings such as ASEAN and the Quad to counter China.